Let's enjoy some garlic butter fish and shrimp for dinner. Season your meat however you like, then we're going to heat up some butter and olive oil in a cast iron skillet, then add in the fish and shrimp, stir for a couple of minutes per side or until nice and golden brown. When that's done, remove and then add a little bit more butter and oil, some freshly grated garlic, saute for a few minutes and then add some chicken stock. When it starts to simmer, add the fish and shrimp, cook for a few more minutes, and just before you turn off the heat, sprinkle with some parsley. I used dried, I didn't have fresh, and then squeeze in a half of a fresh lemon. Then serve with some rice or your favorite side and enjoy. Until next time, live life to the fullest and just enjoy food.